In this section here in Q-Patrix 2, we will do the SQL injection. Okay, understood. With the help of SQL injection, we will get the vulnerability. We will check the vulnerability here. Fine. So let me start the class. Inside that, we will see how to create the vulnerability with the help of SQL injection. Clear? So just come on the Kali. What you will do? Again, I will check the IP address, vulnerable IP address. Okay, for my Kubernetes 2. So I will give the command as net discover. Okay. Then after I, and I know very well it is on the Ethernet 0. Basically, it's on Ethernet 0. According to you, you can check it now. So let it be discover the IP address. It is discovering the IP address. Let it be come up. Momo, try to install for your CISSP soon. Okay, understood.
Huh?
I'm telling try for install for CISSP soon.
Okay, okay.
See, I got 137.1. Then after 137.2, it should come. Then after the vulnerable IP, it will show you. See here, I got 131, right? Here, 131. You understood? Through VMNet 8. Through our VMNet 8. Hold a second. Let me connect my tab. So I have the IP address I'm getting. A second. Okay. This is the IP address 131. Clear? So with the help of this IP address, what I will do, I will start the Nmap. Right? Scanning.
Okay.
Vulnerability scan I will do. So let me come here. I will open the other terminal. This terminal I open here. I will use Nmap. Then after ports, scan the port A. Then after the my IP address. So my IP address is 192.168.137.130 m. 192.168.137.131. Clear? Let it be scanned. It will open the all vulnerable ports and all. Okay, SSH 22, whatever is there, it will open. Okay, let it be do. What I will do, I will update the Java. Okay, so let me
Okay.
open it. Let it be scan with handmap. I'm updating my Java version here. It is very much important because it is running here the 10.0 Java. Okay, and I need a latest one Java. Understood. Inside the Kali Linux, by default, it is running 10.0 Java. So what we need the updatation inside my Java, inside my Kali. So for that purpose, what I will do, I
Mhm.
will come and I will write the command as update. On that day also I shown you, I told you update it. Okay. After that, what you
Mhm.
will do, update alternatives. Then after config config. After that Java. Okay, and I need which one? Two. Second one, right? 012 and strike mark is showing. Okay, where is the strike mark? That's one you need to update. You need to update. It's updated
Okay.
here. And see here, this is the vulnerability. What I am getting inside the vulnerability, you will find here that it is showing me SSL, it is showing me SSH. See here, SSH, right? Port number 22 with the TCP, correct or not? And whatever the vulnerability it will show you, it will open 111 TCP. Okay, that is for RPC bind. 443 for HTTPS, some unknown ports it is open. Okay, then after TCP is
Mhm.
IPP 631 is for your status. 3305 TCP, it is for MySQL. Understood. This is a vulnerable port. With that vulnerable port, you can get access. Are you getting? So these are the ports is here, important ports. Understood. Here I am getting
Okay.
651. Come down here. This is a it is showing you me like it is scan this IP address. Understood. It is showing you
Okay.
192.168.137.131. This is the IP address. Clear. Operating
Okay.
system also it is showing you Linux. It is working on the Linux platform with 2692.2630. Clear. That are the
Okay.
important
Okay.
information you can get with the access with the help of this command. And you have to update your Java also. What I will do after that, I will open my burp suite. Okay, I
Okay.
need to open my burp suite. Let's come here. This is my burp suite. Let it be open.
So
Oh, yes.
I have one question actually.
Mm-hmm.
When you do the net discover, you are getting IP like 192.168, okay?
Uh-huh.
And me, I'm getting
Hmm.
10.0.2.2, something like that.
Okay.
So, is it possible to change that one
No, it
actually?
is
Like,
depends upon. Let's listen to me. What I'm doing, I'm using NAT 8. NAT 8 is for my connecting with my network. You understood my point.
go to
So
go to your setting. I will see something. Setting network.
see here, this is the settings here. Okay. What I use, NAT. I'm using the NAT. Are you getting?
Mm-hmm.
You understood? Let's come on the edit section. Inside the edit section, you come here on the preferences. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Inside, not inside preferences, virtual network editor. Here, let it be open. See here, this is open virtual network editor. What you are getting? VMNet 8 by default it is NAT. Are you getting? You understood?
Mm-hmm.
And this is the network by default. It is giving the network is 192.168.137. Clear?
Mhm.
When you are coming here, just see 192.168.137 network, correct? You come here and check your net discover. Where is my net discover? Just hold a second. This is my net discover, right? This is my net discover, right? It is in the same net, 137 network. Are you getting my point? Because this
Mhm.
is going to connect. Try to understand what we are doing here. This one, your Qupatrix here is going to connect with your, see, sorry, here. This Kali is going to connect with your Qupatrix. How it is connecting? With the help of NAT.
Okay.
Are you getting? So NAT by default, the NAT is your NAT 8. If you'll be create a adapter, you will find NAT
Mhm.
0 is there. Okay, NAT 1 is there, and NAT
Mhm.
8 is there. This is
Mhm.
predefined. You understood my point? NAT 1, NAT 2, you can create NAT 2, you can create NAT 3, you can create NAT 4. You understood? You can create this one
Mhm.
with the help of what? With the help of your virtual editor. See here. This is my, where is my virtual editor? Here. See here. This is my virtual editor. I can create. Are you getting?
Okay. Okay.
I
See,
will go.
give me.
Hmm. I'm giving you, but
Okay.
just let me explain it. So NAT 1, see here. NAT 0 is for your bridge. Okay?
Mhm.
Always remember.
Mhm.
NAT 1 is for host, particular host. And if you're coming on the NAT 8 is for your NAT, network address translation. So
Mhm.
I need to connect this one with this one. So what I use in the Qupatrix level 2, when I install, there also I given NAT 8. And when I installed Kali Linux on there also, in the network editor, I have given NAT 8. That
Mhm.
means both are in the NAT.
Mhm.
And why I use NAT? Because if you go in the Kali and if you want to open google.com, if you want to open youtube.com, easily you can open. Are you getting my
Mhm.
point? Because this is going to
Mhm.
connect with your internet.
Okay.
Clear? Clear the
Okay. Okay.
features?
I'm checking. I'm checking something.
No.
Now I check it. VirtualBox net zero. Okay. Give me the permission. I will show you something. Okay. Wait. I will try to execute something else.
Okay, giving you.
Uh,
I given you permission.
I have the permission now.
Yeah, given to you.
Okay. Okay. See this one. Where it is. Okay. Can you see this one?
Yeah, I'm getting you.
When I came here,
Hmm.
you can see this one.
Yeah, Kali.
I I click on this was not there. I click on create. This came
Go on,
VirtualBox net zero.
go on the settings. Go on the settings. Settings is there. Go on the settings.
There is no setting there
Settings
actually.
is there. Here. In the place of new, after that settings is there. Settings. New tools, new settings is there. See there on the up, bottom. Sorry,
There.
top place. Top place. New.
Which
After
top?
that settings is there. R-
Yeah,
Where are you?
setting is there.
Yeah, open the settings. Click on the settings.
See, it is there.
See, open this one. Click. Yeah, NAT is there, right?
Yeah, it's not.
Yeah, it is connected. Go on the adapter 2 also give NAT. Go on the adapter 2. Adapter 2. You are in the adapter 1. Huh.
I'm clicking on adapter two. It is not coming.
Okay, then it is connected with your NAT. No need. Okay,
Okay.
fine. Go there on your Qupatrix. Go inside your Qupatrix.
My Cupatrix is there.
Okay, go on the settings of the Qupatrix. Click
Setting
on
of Cupatrix.
click on the Qupatrix. Click on the Qupatrix settings. NAT. Okay, okay. 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 Fine.
No, I want to show you something. You're not listening to me actually.
What?
This one was not there. This VirtualBox net 0 was not there. Okay.
Hmm.
When I click on it, and the IP address came
Hmm.
192.168.56.1.
Hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, but I will show you something else. When I came to Kali Linux,
Hmm.
and if I did EF config, see the IP address it is showing me.
10.0.0.2.15. Yeah, this
Net.
IP address you are getting from your NAT, from your internet. Go and check.
Mm-hmm.
See, open your Kali, and there you open the browser. Open your Kali, there you try to open the browser.
Kali, this
Browser.
is Kali only.
Open the browser. Browser.
Mm-hmm.
Open here YouTube, anything. Open Google. You are getting Google because 10.0.0.15 is 10.0.2.0 network is your NAT, and that is redirect to your internet. So this is the correct
Mm-hmm.
IP. Are you getting my point?
Okay.
Understood. You understood because this is going to connect with your internet from your NAT 8 or NAT in internet. That's your NAT. It is giving you proper direction to connect with your internet. You are getting my point.
Okay.
That is the correct
Mm-hmm.
because you have given the options here. You have given the options here. NAT 8. You understood? NAT 8
Yes.
by default. If you are giving, see, you are using the Oracle based your virtual box. In the Oracle virtual
Mm-hmm.
box, it is not showing you NAT 8 and all. It is giving you NAT. It is giving you host. You understood my
Mm-hmm.
point?
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Are
But
you
this
getting?
actually,
Hmm.
yes, actually, see, this one actually is
Mm-hmm.
what I want to know more about. See, I will show you now.
Show me.
Mhm.
Let it be. Let it be discovered. Let it be discovered.
No, I will not touch anything. See, this part. See, when you come to VirtualBox, there you can see the IP address, right? They are telling that the adapter are manually configured because I put on NAT manually. IPv4 address is
Go there. Go there. Go there
192.56.
and go there. Metasploit. Go there. Metasploit. Manually.
Where?
Metasploit. Open the Metasploit. Open the Metasploit. Right.
Settings?
Go on the settings. Open it. Yeah. It is not your. See here. That version is there. How you will connect it? It is not showing you connections. Come on the
What?
advance. Come on the advance. Where is your NAT connectivity? It is not showing me the connectivity.
NAT is there, sir.
Okay.
But here adapter 2 is available. But that
Disable.
side adapter.
Okay, fine. It should be one. It should be also 10.0. Maybe on that day you are using it, it will be on the NAT 192 network. Try once again. It will be on 10 network only. You understood? Not from the 192 network. Are you getting? You understood?
What you said?
It will be come on the 10.0 network, not in the 192 network.
But okay, so I got that one. So now why it is showing 192 there?
Me, what I'm telling you, when you installed on that day, it was showing you 192 network, but it will be in 10 network only, not in your 192 network. You understood? Getting? You
Okay.
start Metasploit when you check the IP address there, it will show you your IP address will be in your 10 network, not on your 192 network. Getting? Getting my point?
Okay. Okay.
Not in your 192 network. Yeah?
Okay.
Give me permission, I will show you access, okay? because on that day when you install, no, on that day your internet, you have connected your internet on 192 network. You understood my point?
Mm-hmm.
It is varied. No, see, right now I am getting the internet is maybe like on 192. My ISP is giving 192 network. Maybe it will be in
Mm-hmm.
10 network because here I am using a Reliance
Okay.
Geo. I will use if I'll be use Airtel or BBNL, Bangalore, or any ISP. So that
Mm-hmm.
IP address, what they have provided, it will be varied. It will be varied. Understood my point? Just hold a second. Just a second. Momo, you understood my point. So don't worry about the ISP. When you change the ISP, it will be changed. Clear my point?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So let me come to. Okay. This is the IP I got. What I will do, I will come on the browser. Let me come here. I will
Mm-hmm.
come on the browser. Where is my browser?
Mm-hmm.
I will use the proxy. Okay. Type here proxy settings. Okay. I will use this proxy 127.0.0.1. Okay. I'm doing the SQL injection here. Are you getting my points? What is my target?
Mm-hmm.
My target is for SQL injection. Yeah. With what? Geometrics
Mm-hmm.
2. Understood.
Mm-hmm.
Use this part. Follow me. Give 127.0.0.1. After that, what you will do? Come here and open the per. I open the per. Okay. Close.
Mm-hmm.
Next. Start per.
You said to change my proxy, right? To
Yeah, yeah,
manual.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. It started. What I will do? Just come on the GUI. Okay.
My burp is not working.
Which is not working.
My burp.
Check it once again. Right. And what you do? Come here.
It is showing directly. It is going directly.
Warp is not working.
No,
Restart once again your Kali. Why it is getting always stuck?
I
Check
don't
here.
even know.
HTTP. Just see here once again and try HTTP and 192.168. What is my IP address? Is 192.168, 137.120.
131.
131. Okay. 192, 168, 137 dot 131. Okay. Okay. HTTPS 192.168.137.131. Let me check. Yeah, I got this one. This certificate. Advanced accepted risk container. Let me come on the birth. Where is my birth? Yeah, this is my birth. Proxy is there, right? This is the proxy. See here, inside the proxy, I'm getting for my Firefox forward intercept. Okay, HTTPS history options. Just a second. Yeah, it is asking me so username password, right? Hello, hello, hello. Are you there? Hello. Connect me fast. Showing you live.
Trying to connect. There is no internet actually.
Oh, you have no internet.
No, not internet. There's no power.
Very much important things. It's came to remote access this all.
I'm coming. I'm trying to share my data.
Try to connect, okay? Huh?
Okay.
I'm there. I'm waiting for you. Okay, connect. Momo? Hello? Momo? Hello? Momo? Connected?
Listen.
See, when I see here what I did, uh, I'm trying to access from my Kali Linux,
Mm-hmm.
Kali to my Cupatrix 2.
Okay.
Cupatrix 2. Okay? The IP address of Cupatrix is 192.168.137.131.
How did
Okay?
you know that?
I know
How did you
no.
know that?
See, I checked here no. When I given this
Okay.
okay vulnerability through vulnerability, I got this IP address, right? So
So your permission to record?
yeah, with this one, no net discover is with the help of this command,
No,
net
I said
discover.
give you permission to record.
Okay, recorded. See here, I got this IP address. Okay, understood.
Mm-hmm.
So what I did,
Mm-hmm.
I open my browser, and then after I use a
Mm-hmm.
proxy. In the
Mm-hmm.
proxy, what I use one. This is the loopbacks 127.0.0.1 with the port number 8080. This is the standard for the
Mm-hmm.
proxy. Okay. After that, what I did, I open my browser here. Inside browser, I given the IP address of 192.168.137.131
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
HTTPS. Okay, so
Okay.
it is asking me for username and password. Clear.
Okay.
So what I will do, I will give the username and password as anything. I will
Admin.
type test. Let me check once. Test and password also I will give test. I'm doing the testing purpose, so I will give the test here. Okay, test.
Okay.
Let me log in. See here what it will come. I try to log in. Don't save. It is not taking this password, but I will come in the burp and I will check what is happened. Come here in the proxy target. See here, this is the Firefox. Let me open it.
Mhm.
Proxy intercept is on. Let me try once again.
Mhm.
Test, test, log in it. See, I got it here. Proxy I got. Understood. See, username is test, password is this one, and this all information I got it here. Correct or not?
Mhm.
You understood? Come here,
So
Abdul.
when someone took your laptop and try to do something, you
Yeah,
can use this one
yeah, I got.
to see what
Yeah,
you do.
yeah, correct, 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 correct. After that, what I will do after completing this part, ensure that your CA certificate will be there, burp CA, because already we have done this part. That's why I'm not giving you. You remember, burp CA
Yeah.
certificate be
Ah,
installed,
yeah. I did that one last time
and that's
only.
what I'm telling you.
Mhm.
Ensure, ensure your burp CA certificate is installed. Okay, how will we do? HTTP. Give the proxy. Remember, right now, proxy is what? 127.0.0.1 with port number 8080. After that, it will be redirect to your burp, right? And there you have the CA. Copy this one and then after paste it, right?
Mhm.
So this part already we have explained. That's why I am getting, because in my burp, my certificate is valid certificate I have. Are you getting the points? Clear. That's why I'm
Mhm.
getting this part. After that, what we will do, see, let me come here. Okay, I'm inside that raw WebSocket options, dashboard, target, proxy, intruder, repeater. Just a minute. Let me try once again. Test and password is test. This is here we have. Okay, target. I will try to send.
Mhm.
Just a minute. Where is my intruder? Proxy. Control all. Okay, and send it to the intruder. Okay,
Mhm.
come on the inside the intruder
Mhm.
and positions. This is the position.
Mhm.
Okay, attack type is sniper.
Mhm.
Then after, what I will do, change the username and all. Okay, so what I will do, you should come here. First you come here, Okay, right click, clear. Then after add. Okay, password also you come add. Are you getting? You understood? With the help of this one. Clear? After that, whatever we'll do, I will come in the payload.
Sir, come back to the position. I will show you something.
Hmm.
Down.
Yeah, I'm
You
in.
can see, check the password.
Just a minute. First, what you do, clear it. Okay. Then after,
Mm,
then after, click on that and add. Understood?
okay.
Fine. After that, what you do, we are in the positions. We come on the payload. Inside
Mhm,
payload, what I will do, try to paste it.
mhm,
It will paste here. Wait a minute.
mhm.
Load is this one. Cancel. Are you getting the paste option here?
I'm not doing it. I'm just watching for you first.
Okay, just a minute then.
I'm updating my file actually.
Okay, we will come on the payload. Inside the payload, what I will do, if I'll be load, it should be loading here. Paste. It's not pasting. If it will paste, then after Oxy, just a minute. Okay, positions is this one.
What you want to paste actually?
I'm see the user that I'm using username password is test right? Remember
Yes.
that
Mhm.
password I'm that password I'm doing here. That password I'm
Just
giving
copy,
here.
copy, copy here and.
Yeah, just I copied it here. Then after I will come on the payload. Understood? Let me refresh it. Then after I will come on the payload and paste it here. It will be automatically paste. Understood?
Mhm,
Let me come
mhm,
again and auto. Wait a minute. Refresh.
mhm,
Wait a second. Okay, click on that. Add, add, add. Okay.
mhm,
After that,
mhm,
what I will do? Start attack. Go back. Come on the payload. Paste it. Paste it option is not coming here. Just a second.
mhm.
Come on the dashboard and user options. Extender. Into the options. Paste.
But can you manually copy and paste?
No, this is not here. It will become like add. Okay. Okay. It's copied here. Into the start attack. Payload. Paste. Yeah,
Mm.
this is like this way you will get. Okay. URL encoding character. Control C. After that, let me come here. Paste it. What is coming? Community edition of Burp Suite contains a demo version of Burp included some functionalities. Not there. Okay, are you getting? What is the problem is coming? Hello, you are getting here. This is my demo edition. Hello,
Hmm?
are you there? What is coming? If I'll be paste it and then after I'm trying to attack, okay, with the SQL
Hmm?
injection, what is coming here? This is telling you Burp Suite contains a demo version. This one, okay,
Hmm?
because of that only this facility I'm not getting. Clear my point? Some functionality is not here. For that I have to go here and then after I will be installed this points. You understood what I'm telling you? Hello?
Yes, and
Yeah, this is because this is the free edition. Inside the free edition I'm not getting this facility. Clear? Okay.
okay.
What I will do, I will install crack version. Okay, and then after I will try it. So what you do up to here you install. You understood my point? Up to here you do try it, and I will crack. I will install from somewhere. I will try to download the crack
Hmm?
version of Perl. Then after I will get. I can show you the your this part, your attacking part with how we can attack. Understood? With the
Okay.
SQL injection, we are doing the SQL injection. Getting?
Okay. Okay.
We are doing the SQL injection. But this is my free edition. Because of that all, that's why it is not getting. So let me install crack version. Okay, then after we'll see this point. Understood now? Clear? After that what I will do, I will start attack now. It will do attack on my Cubetric version 2. Understood?
Okay.
Clear? See, Momo, our complete aim here with the Cubetrix 1 or Cubetrix 2, what? To check the vulnerability.
Hmm.
Understood? Vulnerability. With the help of this vulnerability, what we will do, we can attack on the company's event.
Hmm.
Are you getting my point? With the company's event, Burp Suite is there, SQL is there. Last class I shown you Kubernetes one. So this all things is giving you the check the vulnerability. Then after create the attacks. Clear?
Okay.
Kubernetes is what? Kubernetes is one vulnerable machine. Understood?
But
So when,
if Cubitrix is
yeah,
working, you
vulnerable
don't
machine
know that
inside
you
your
can use.
organization. So what you are doing, like if you have to attack like any organization like cabc.com. Okay, so first aim is what? You have to check the vulnerability. Are you getting my point or not? So I am doing the vulnerability with the help of what? Net discover if I'll be used. So I'm getting the IP address.
Hmm.
With the help of that IP address I'm creating the attack with the help of nmap scanning. Open the ports, checking the open ports. Understood or not? And then after lots of techniques are there. Lots of
No,
techniques.
what I'm
Lots of
telling now,
tell me.
as we are not able to work on Cubitrix, you don't have any other tools which we can use to work.
In Kubernetes, Burp is the best one, man. Burp is the best one for the troubleshooting. Are you getting my
How much
point?
is how much is Burp?
Burp is the best.
I said how much is Burp? How much it is?
Price you are asking.
Yes.
Price, I don't know. I have to check on the price. But it is free version is available. Why will be purchased? Free version is
But
available.
we are not able to work with free version right now.
No, no, no. Crack,
You,
I'm telling you. Crack, we will install it. Crack is available, right? It is
okay.
recording is going on, no? So I cannot say you. I cannot give you the where we will get. Understood? Because this is going on the public sites, right? I'm not telling you like where we will get the crack version. You understood my point? On the WhatsApp I share you. So we will use the cracked version. Then after we'll install and we will get this one. Understood my point? Clear?
Okay.
Okay, we will install with the help of crack version. I will give the license key. You remember it is asking for the license key. So we have so much license keys there with the crack, and then after we will
Okay.
get it. Understood? This is also a vulnerability, man. This is also the vulnerability. Crack
Okay.
license key is with the help of crack license key. This is working in the real time. Understood? Let
Okay.
me check. You up to here you do try. You understood my point. Up to here you try because your burp is also not working. So try to check your burp even. Just
Number,
fix
I will
this.
look.
Yeah, fix this all issue, man. Fix this all issue because burp is not you're capturing the packets and all capturing your information. Then it's completely means your this part lab part is your real time lab. Understood? Real time lab. So your lab should be ready. Understood? No? Clear.
Okay.
So fix this all issue. Fix all issue. Fine. Installed
Okay.
again, reinstall. Uninstall it again, reinstall your burp and try to check. Up to
Yeah,
here,
but
just check it is it is capturing your IP address with that information or not. Understood? Because it was asking me the username and password, right? Because I'm standing in the remote area, correct or not? Remote means what?
yeah.
I'm on the Kali Linux and I want to access what? Kubernetes 2. So it is asking me the username and password, but I don't know the exact username and password. So what I am using, I'm just change the username and password, trying to use. You understood? Because what I'm giving, I don't know the exact username and password, so I'm using test and test. Understood or not? And then after I'm
Okay.
trying to capture the packets. Clear?
Okay.
Up to here
Okay.
you do, then after I will show you. Clear?
I will see by
Understood?
myself.
Okay,
Yes.
okay. Try once again, okay? Give time here.
Okay.
Okay, give the time on this one. Fine.
Okay, sir. We'll
Okay,
try
man.
that.
And say, okay, remind me, I will share you one book, okay? That is help to you to understand. Huh? WhatsApp
Okay.
me, I will share to you.
Okay.
Fine.
Fine.
Okay. Take care. Bye bye.
Okay.